Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chatbot using the Gemini API. First, we will cover the fundamental parts of any chatbot system. Then, I'll guide you through obtaining and utilizing the powerful Gemini API. Finally, we'll prepare your development environment, ensuring you have everything needed to start building your interactive assistant right away. This foundational knowledge is crucial for a smooth development process. To begin, you'll need to install the required programming libraries, which are essential for interacting with the Gemini API. Next, we'll walk through the process of securely obtaining your unique Gemini API key. This key is vital for authenticating your requests. Finally, I'll show you how to properly configure your project to integrate this API key, ensuring seamless communication with the Gemini service. Now, let's dive into designing the conversation flow, which dictates how your chatbot will interact with users. We'll then implement the code to effectively handle user input and generate intelligent responses using the Gemini API. This involves crafting prompts and processing the model's output. By leveraging Gemini's advanced natural language capabilities, your chatbot can provide engaging and contextually relevant conversations. After building your chatbot, it's crucial to thoroughly test its functionality across various scenarios to ensure it performs as expected. We'll then explore different options for deploying your chatbot, making it accessible to users. This could involve integrating it into a website or a messaging platform. Remember to check the description for links to other deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life with smart features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.